Alright, let me open. Okay, it's open. Now let's click to open. Come on! Else I'll kill you. Okay, I heard there's a scary mouse here. Okay. There might be a scary mouse here. Nah, it's gonna end your life. Where's the mouse? That just jump scared me. Jesus Christ! That just jump scared me the hell out. That just jump scared the hell out of me. Okay, let's open this again. Hope I don't get jump scared again, because I have to scream for my life. I almost couldn't breathe. You know what? I'm quitting this game.